English maritime. Communication phrase. Describe about. IMO standard marine communication phrases. Spelling, numbers and call signs time. Position, bearing, course, distance, speed, draft. Glossary. Round up. 1. IMO standard marine communication phrases. Seafarers and the shipping industry use maritime English as a common tool of communication. The standard marine communication phrases, SMCP, are an important part of maritime English. Crews of different nationalities work on board vessels and speak many different languages. Problems in verbal communication are a danger to the vessel, the people, and the environment. Seafarers need a standard language to communicate with, for navigation at sea, in port, and on board vessels with multilingual crews. So the IMO, International Maritime Organization, proposes the SMCP to assist in the safety of navigation. Under the International Convention on Standards of Training, Certification and Watchkeeping for Seafarers, STCW 7895, officers must use and understand IMO SMCP. They are phrases useful for all modern conditions at sea. There are two parts. The external communication phrases, e.g. meteorological warnings. The onboard communication phrases, e.g. pilot on the bridge. Glossary. Navigation theory and practice of navigating, directing the course of the ship. Multilingual using, speaking more than one language. Assist, help, aid. Convention, a formal agreement between countries. Watchkeeping, being on duty aboard ship for a period of time, usually 4 hours. Onboard, carried or used aboard a vessel. Identifying maritime English. Look at the maritime English phrases in the box. How are they different from general English? Try to guess their meaning by matching them to their general English equivalent below. Discuss if it is a good idea to use standardized language law for maritime communication and why. The officer on board says, "My ETA is 1500 hours Universal Time Coordinated. M/T Trader, Tango Romeo Alpha Delta Echo Romeo. Request, I require medical assistance. I have a list to port." 2. Spelling, numbers and call signs. A. International Maritime Alphabet. Listen to your instructor and underline the stressed syllable. 3. Time. My ETA is 8 o'clock, 0800 hours. Loading starts at 9:10, 09:10. Loading finishes at 14:15, 14:15. Vessel's ETD is 1550, 1550 inch. At sea we speak times using the 24-hour UTC, Universal Time Coordinate, notation. The digital 24-hour clock system helps us avoid confusion with AM, ante-meridium equals before noon, and PM, post-meridium equals afternoon. Instead of saying 3 p.m. we write 1500 and say 1500 hours or 1500 hours. Instead of saying 3 a.m. we write 0300 and say 0300 hours or 0300 hours. 4. Position, bearing, course, distance, speed, draft. Match the examples to the heading. Choose from the box. Glossary. Match the terms to the definitions. Adrift NUC hampered, underway, capsized. Moored, wrecked, derelict, disabled. B. What do the following initials stand for? C. Match the word to create correct collocations. Call signal area orders pattern alert move points exercise cargo station party.